Welcome to Debian Mastery, 24 lessons that turn you into the operator companies actually trust. Here's the premise. Debian has been around since 1993. It's older than most of the internet it runs, and today it quietly powers about 95% of web servers, every Mars rover, and the bulk of the major clouds. Over this course, we'll cover the philosophy, the release model, the full roadmap, and where Debian shows up in the real world. Foundation, Services, Hardening, Operate. So let's get concrete about where Debian actually lives. Roughly 30% of all Linux web servers run it. It's the default image on AWS, GCP, Hetzner, OVH, DigitalOcean. It's inside your router, your NAS, your car's infotainment. It's 30% of the world's top 500 supercomputers. And on Mars, Perseverance runs Linux for its science payload because NASA needed something free, auditable, and patchable forever. The pattern is the same everywhere. Stability, predictable updates, and FOSS purity beat flash. Master Debian, and you've mastered roughly 70% of the Linux you'll ever touch professionally. So, why has Debian outlasted nearly every contemporary? Because in 1997, the project wrote down what it stood for. 6 promises, called the social contract, never amended for marketing reasons. It commits to staying 100% free, giving fixes back upstream, never hiding bugs, prioritizing users and FOSS over corporate pressure, isolating non-free software into opt-in archives, and respecting open standards like POSIX and FHS. Every release decision you'll see in this course traces back to one of these 6 lines. That philosophy shapes Debian's most distinctive engineering choice. 3 branches running in parallel, forever. Packages enter through unstable, codenamed SID after the toy-breaking kid, graduate to testing after a 10-day quarantine, then freeze into stable every 2 years or so. Stable runs your servers and gets same-day security patches, but no new features. Testing suits developer laptops wanting fresh but not broken. SID breaks whenever it feels like it. This course targets stable, bookworm today, tricksy next, but 99% of what you learn applies everywhere. Speaking of tricksy, let's place it on the timeline. Every release carries a Toy Story codename, a tradition from 1996 when project leader Bruce Perens worked at Pixar. What matters operationally is the cadence. Bookworm is now old stable. Trixie is the current stable we'll build on, and Forky is already in testing. Each release gets 5 years of standard support, plus 2 more under Community LTS, and 3 additional under Commercial ELTS. The rule that will save your weekends: plan upgrades 6 to 12 months before end of life, never after. With the timeline clear, here's how the journey itself is structured. 24 lessons, 4 stages, split into 2 packages you can take independently or as a bundle. Foundations, lessons 0 through 11, gets you from bare metal to a host running real services. Install, APT users, system, networking, DNS, storage, logs. Production, 12 through 23 is where you defend it and scale it. NFtables, SSH hardening, app or more, then backup, monitoring, Ansible, and containers. Each stage carries its own color throughout the course, so you always know where you are. Now, how you actually use this course is up to you. Mode 1 is the canonical path, lessons 0 through 23, in order on a real Debian VM. About 15 hours over 4 weeks, and you come out with real muscle memory. Mode 2 is reference mode. SSH on fire today? Jump straight to lesson 13. Mode 3 treats the slides as documentation, searchable, copy-pastable, with a printable 30-point capstone at the end. My recommendation: linear, the first time. Reference once you're operational. Reading mode forever after. Before lesson 1 kicks off, you need almost nothing. 8 gigs of RAM, 30 gigs of free disk, virtualization enabled in BIOS, that's the whole bar. Grab a Debian VM through VirtualBox, QEMU, or a $5 cloud instance. Pull the NetInst ISO, verify the SHA-256, and provision 2 vCPUs with 4 gigs of RAM and 20 gigs of disk. Standard installer, add SSH server, and you're ready. Lesson 1 walks the install itself, so if you're impatient, skip ahead. Now, a quick word on where this course sits in the bigger picture. Debian Mastery is the anchor, the foundation everything else builds on. The 5 deep dives in the Dargslan portfolio: Linux hardening, SSH hardening, container hardening, fail2ban, and CrowdSec all assume you can already operate Debian fluently. That's what we're teaching here. Throughout the course, you'll see callbacks pointing into those deeper tracks. Lesson 13. Previews SSH hardening, 14 touches brute force defense, 15 and 16 open the door to kernel and Appermore work. Take this first, then pick the deep dive that matches your role, or do all 5. The returns compound. Before we go any further, here are 5 Debian-specific mindset shifts that will save you weeks of debugging. First, Debian ships old versions on purpose. That's tested, hardened, backported. A feature, not a bug. Second, configuration lives in etc. and it belongs to you. Edit it freely. Upstream defaults sit in ausrpal share. Third, there's almost always a Debian way. Apt search before curl pipe bash. Fourth, apt update refreshes the index. Apt upgrade actually installs. Never confuse them. And fifth, read wsosr share doc. README, Debian and news. Debian are hidden gold. Most users never open. Internalize these now, and the next 23 lessons go much faster. So, here's where you stand. 6 things, and you're oriented. You know why Debian wins. You've seen the social contract behind it. You understand the 3 branches and which one we're using. You've got the map of 24 lessons across 2 packages. You see how this course feeds every other track in the portfolio. And you've got the 5 mindset shifts in your pocket. Lesson 0 is done. Next up, Lesson 01. We grab the NetInst ISO, partition with LVM and OLUX, walk the installer end to end, and finish on a working Debian VM you'll use for the rest of the course. Hands on keyboard, terminal open, be ready. Lesson 0 complete. Philosophy understood, release model clear, roadmap mapped, and your VM is ready, or about to be. Lesson 01 is waiting. NetInst versus full ISO, partitioning with LVM, LUKS, and a ZFS on root preview, pre-seed for unattended installs, and the first boot checklist. Close this slide, open your terminal, and meet me there.